Have you heard about the golden rule? Why do you have such big discussion? Whether to make it a law or put it in the Constitution, that's fascinating. Because if you're willing to put it into a law, then why would you not put it in the Constitution if it's supposed to be a good thing? Germany has it in the Constitution, and Italy has it in the Constitution, and Spain has it in the Constitution, and the British have an Office of Budgetary Responsibility breathing down the necks of the government in terms of their performance in the fiscal front, and the Swedish have a fiscal council breathing down the necks of the government in terms of their fiscal, and these are independent bodies which, and some of them have both. They have both. They have a golden rule, and they have a fiscal council. One is for the domestic, internal discipline, and the other one is for purposes of just in case somebody out there is watching and is going to remind us. It's about credibility. It's a message. It's a signal. It's a language. And why should you be less than what the rest of the world is doing? So, I'd say, don't talk about it for too long, just do it. And it's going to be part of the way back into access to markets, and maybe to lower those 7% interest rates that you're paying for the debt today. It's going to be, part of the return to the credibility and to being in better shape fiscally and financially.